this is Dragon Eye. I am going to be cooking today omelettes, and if you want to know the recipe, well then you're in the correct channel. No. Welcome back to my channel. If you like this channel and you like the recipe, then please don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and turn on your notification bell. Bell peppers, okay, tricolor, or it doesn't matter what color you choose. I'm using today bell peppers. I'm going to be using Parmesan cheese. I will be using cherry tomatoes, and I will be using turkey. Okay, this is a very fast dish to make early in the morning. And I also will be using butter, and you will need eggs, obviously. Okay, I will be making a serving of 4 people. Okay, but if you are just making a serving for yourself, then just diminish the serving size. Also, I will be using salt. I will be using roasted garlic and herb seasoning. And obviously my famous is steak seasoning. I will also be using avocado. And because I really love spicy food, I will be adding a drizzle of my Mexican oil sauce. If you want to know how to make the Mexican oil sauce, then I will provide the link down below on the comment section. I'm going to cook the bell peppers first with sunflower oil. I will cook the bell peppers first with sunflower oil. I will be using butter to cook my eggs. Now I just added a pinch of chopped garlic. 1 teaspoon. Okay, so I set aside the mozzarella cheese that I will be using to stuff my omelet, and right now I will be preparing and mixing the egg so that I can start getting ready to cook it. Right now I just seasoned it with my steak seasoning sauce and my roasted chicken garlic seasoning. I just grabbed the butter and I'm going to put a little pinch of it on top of the pan. The pan right now is set on low heat and it is melting the butter so that it will be ready to cook the egg, or you can say omelette. And I already added a pinch of salt, and because I am serving approximately 4 people, I will be adding approximately 7 to 8 eggs. But again, if you are just one person, then you might just want to reduce the serving size to about 3 eggs. So this is how it turned out. watching.